Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's talk about some power tips that you could use if you're under 500 subscribers. I'm going to share things that have worked for my channel, and if you stay with me all the way through till the end, I've got a bonus PowerPoint and why now is a great time to be a content creator. You do not want to miss this. Let's get into it. The first power tip is to create shorts for your channel. Everything is starting to get shorts now, starting to blow up across YouTube. You know, when TikTok came along, YouTube kind of jumped on that bandwagon and they said, look, we better get onto this thing. And shorts are a great way to reach new people, to do new things, to get in front of new audiences. So I've created shorts on my channel. And one thing about shorts, it doesn't take a long time to create them. And at the same time, other people can enjoy them real quick on the move. It doesn't take a lot of energy from them. And YouTube has designed your homepage now where your shorts will show up in its own category, so it won't be disruptive to your homepage. YouTube has gotten a little smart now. They're able to show your homepage in a way where your shorts can come up in their own category. And when it comes to subscribers, here's one short. I gained 9 subscribers from this short. Here's another one. I gained 6 subscribers from this short. And from another one, I gained over 13 subscribers just from one short. Now think about that. Imagine you create some shorts in your channel and you just have at least one short that'll bring in 13 subscribers. And if you do that twice a week, that's 26 subscribers that you've already gained just from 2 shorts. Not to mention those who will come in from other areas. That is another powerful way, okay, that you could build your channel. If you're under 500 subscribers, create shorts. Short form content is a thing that is starting to be real popular these days. And I remember when I first started my YouTube channel, I created some shorts when I first started, but they wasn't like I really wanted them to be. They really didn't have the appeal that I needed them to have. They didn't have the captions. Check this out. If you go to video.ai, they'll give you some captions, and they'll give you the captions on your shorts just like these right here. Hold up, let me find it right here. They'll let you put captions on your shorts just like these right here. So they're not sponsoring this video, but I use them, just wanted to mention them to you. So video.ai, check them out for your shorts, building your content, going to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next level mindset and everything that we do. Let's get back into this sort of powerful way to build your channel. If you're under 500 subscribers, make sure you're consistent with your personality and consistent with your uploads. I like to say be consistent with your personality and frequent with your uploads. And a lot of times when people talk about consistency, they don't really talk about consistency as far as who you are, the brand you represent, having fun. That's one thing that it took me a while to realize that, you know, I have to have fun in doing this because I'm in this for the long term. We'll talk more about that coming up in a minute. But make sure you're consistent over your brand, in your personality, who you are, as well as frequent with your uploads. And that is one thing that has really helped me along my journey. I had to realize that it's not just about uploading a video every Monday or Tuesday, going live every Friday. It's also about being consistent with who you are and the brand you represent. And a lot of times when people come to your channel, they're not coming for the information that you're sharing. A lot of times what they're doing, they're coming for you. They're coming because they like to hang out with you. Your vibe will attract your tribe. So I've learned to be consistent with not only my upload schedule, but who I am, how I represent myself, the topics that I have. So if you're under 500 subscribers, most people will subscribe to you more quickly if you're consistent. That is another thing that has helped me along my journey, being consistent not only with your videos, but with your personality as well. Now, I've got some bonus PowerPoints that I want to share with you. But first, before we do that, gotta tell you, Creative Mix, copyright-free music for all content creators. I've been using them for a while, and they have a great variety of music, different varieties of music, free of charge. So check out Creative Mix. Go to their YouTube channel, subscribe there. Go to creativemix.com, create a free account, start downloading their music, use it in your videos, use it in your live streams, or just listen behind the scenes. So a big thank you to Nick Nimmin and D Nimmin over at Creative Mix. They're not sponsoring this video, but if you choose to use them, just tell them Stevon told you about it. If you're a content creator, check this out. It says YouTube is making huge changes to monetization policies, giving more opportunities to smaller creators on the platform. Goes on to talk about how the company has announced it's reducing the eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. So I'm excited about that. So if you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can show your appreciation with a super thanks, a super chat, Cash App donation, buy a coffee, as well as other ways you could be a blessing to the channel with the links in the description. And for those of you who already do that, you are keeping the lights on here at Next Level. So I really appreciate you. So now this first bonus PowerPoint that I want to share with you, it deals mostly with the idea of comments, answering every comment that comes to your channel. I'll talk about this in another video, okay? It's about answering every comment that comes to your channel. You can give a heart, you can do a response, you can hit the like on the comment. But if you're under 500 subscribers, you probably have a chance. Even if you're up to 1,000 subscribers, what has helped me along my journey is that when your viewers see that when they see that you're attentive to their comments and you're able to answer and respond to them, it makes them feel a part of the community, right? That's our first bonus PowerPoint, answer every comment. Another thing to keep in mind, I've had times when subscribers have left. They've left my channel and I always wonder, is it something that I did? Long-term impact is what it's all about. I'm thinking long-term. And if I lose one here or there, it means that they just wasn't meant to be part of my group. They wasn't meant to vibe with my tribe. So just being who I am and also having fun. You gotta have fun. You gotta enjoy what you're doing. That's gonna help you to be consistent with your personality. But yeah, think about it long term. Another thing to keep in mind, a lot of people, they wonder, is it possible? I used to think, is it still possible to grow a channel? It used to be impossible, right? What was impossible is now possible. One of my affirmations says, I can do all things through the Christ within me that I am. There's nothing that I cannot achieve. Stepping out on faith, I can do anything that I put my mind to. So keep that in mind as you continue to grow your channel. Think long term and know that it is possible. And so one of the things that I noticed when I restarted my channel, when I did my relaunch, I was wondering, am I too late? Is it something that can still be done? I want you to enjoy this video right here coming up on the screen, my top 5 reasons to be a content creator. I think that will be a great video for you to watch next. So go ahead and check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. You are the life of the channel. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.